chocolate that was on me.
It was soap.
It's soap. Okay, well, I'm not soapy, so come with me. That sounded so wrong. I'm waiting for your tongue.
The chocolate will cancel out the soap taste.
My body right now. Nope. I'm just gonna let it sit there. Are you serious? It's getting hard. Can you do something about this?
I think it'll be more fun when it's hard. Are you taking a video?
It's always funner when it's hard, but then when it softens up, that's when it doesn't. It's just pleasurable. Come on. Get it while it's hard.
It's not hard.
Jesse, want to share?
What?
Want to share with Liz?
Come on, you want to lick?
I wasn't
No.
going to lick it off. I just wanted to put chocolate on you.
I'd be happy to see him. It's my little buddy.
I'm going to bite you.
Oh, you want to bite? Go ahead. That'll turn me on. Let's
No,
go.
I'm not going to bite you there.
Well, you could always take it and rub it right here and then bite. Just saying.
You'd like that a little much.
I do like getting bit in the neck. As long as it's like nice, not like hardcore. Okay.
Come here, Aiden. You really are taking a video. I know you.
Yeah, I know.
No, he's just standing there making it look like he is.
I was like, are you taking videos? Like, no.
Can you really lick me already?
Can you say that again so I got on camera?
Can she really lick me already? Come on. Lick away. I can't reach my entire arm, so you
All
can
right.
help.
You guys need to start looking this fast so that my camera's going to run out of battery.
What's that? It's finger looking good, isn't it?
Yes, you are finger looking good.
I'm glad I taste that good. Come on, lick away. Let's go. Let's go.
How do you feel about this?
I feel okay about it as long as I get to watch.
Come on.
Nope, I'm good.
Okay. Well, at least get it off. You have to finish me up. Come on.
Finish you up, really?
I'm
Yeah.
gonna tease you. Take it slow.
Attractive.
That was hot.
I can't reach my fucking arm. Yummy!
I just licked you.
I really like chocolate now. Okay, that